Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you a Notion hack, which is how to create cool callout boxes. So let's get started. Open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to create the cute boxes. Click on the plus icon to add a new block. Search for callout or callout box and select it from the options that appear, or simply type -callout and press enter. Once the callout box is inserted onto your page, you can customize it by changing the icon and color. You can find these options in the toolbar at the top of the callout box. To remove the default text inside the callout box, simply click on it and either type something else or delete it entirely. You can now drag and drop content inside the callout box as desired. Repeat these steps to create additional cute boxes on your page. Once you're satisfied with your cute boxes, you can continue organizing and designing your page as needed. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!